CapCut AI Video Creator, the tool that makes videos in 3 minutes. Are you a fan of big work, small money? Yeah, me neither. It's 2025, and if you're still spending hours scripting, recording, and editing your videos, then you're definitely doing it the hard way. CapCut's new AI Video Creator is here, and it's quietly changing the game. This tool can generate full videos, voiceovers, captions, visuals, background music, all in less than 3 minutes. And the best part? You don't need a camera, fancy equipment, or any editing skills. Today on AppSolute, we're taking a look into how CapCut's AI Video Creator works, what makes it so effective, and why creators, marketers, and educators are already jumping on it. If you want to create content faster, easier, and without the usual stress, you'll want to see this. What is CapCut AI Video Creator? CapCut has always been a solid tool for mobile video editing, but the AI Video Creator takes things up several notches. This isn't just about trimming clips or adding captions anymore. This is full text-to-video automation that allows you to create an entire video starting from just a topic or a script. CapCut's AI handles the script writing, generates voiceovers using natural-sounding AI voices, selects matching stock footage, adds captions, transitions, background music, and assembles everything into a polished video. Think of it like having your own writer, voice actor, and video editor all in one place. Why this changes everything. What makes this even more powerful is how easy it is to use. No camera, no problem. Hate editing? CapCut edits for you. Need content in different formats? You'll get videos ready for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, or even WhatsApp promos, all from one platform. It works on Windows, Mac, directly in your web browser, and even on mobile through the CapCut app. There's no complex learning curve here. You just log in, type your idea, and the AI handles the heavy lifting. How to use it. The 4 AI tools that matter. There are 4 standout AI tools within CapCut that you'll want to know about. Each one is designed to simplify specific parts of the content creation process. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, generating scripts, creating presenter-style videos, or matching media to a script, CapCut has a tool for that. Let's go through them. 1. Instant AI Video. This is the core of the AI Video Creator. Just type your topic and choose from a variety of styles like realistic, 3D cartoon, movie style, futuristic, or urban dream. Then select your aspect ratio, 9:16 if you're creating for TikTok or Instagram Reels, or 16:9 if you're aiming for YouTube. Say you want to create a video titled 5 Fascinating Facts About Cats. You simply type that in, pick your preferred AI voice, set your video length, and click Create. In just a few minutes, CapCut delivers a complete video with narration, visuals, captions, and music, all synced and polished, with zero need for filming. 2. Brainstorm with AI. If you're stuck on content ideas or don't feel like writing, Brainstorm with AI is your shortcut. You can enter a topic like how gravity works for kids, and the tool will break it down into bullet points. You pick the points you like, generate a script, select a voice, add background music, and CapCut turns that into a fully formed video, complete with visuals and subtitles. This is perfect for teachers, educational YouTubers, or anyone running a faceless content channel. And if you want to tweak the visuals, you can swap scenes or upload your own footage. 3. AI Avatars. Next is the AI Avatars feature, which lets you create presenter-style videos without stepping in front of a camera. CapCut offers over 100 pre-built avatars in different outfits and styles, and you can even upload your own custom avatar if you have one. For example, if you're launching a skincare product, just paste your script, pick a professional-looking avatar, choose a calm or confident voice, and hit Create. A few clicks later, you have a clean spokesperson-style video. 4. Media Match with Script for marketers. The Media Match with Script tool is a game changer. You start by uploading a product image or a short reference video. Then you write your script. For example, introducing our new smoothie blend packed with vitamins and flavor. CapCut automatically matches visuals, voiceovers, captions, and background music to your script. You can even choose a visual theme like urban, minimal, or cinematic. By the time you're done, your product image is transformed into a ready-to-publish marketing video. Once your video is ready, just hit Export. You can choose your resolution, all the way up to 4K, and your video is ready to go. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, CapCut prepares your video without adding any watermarks. And yes, it's still free to use. Final thoughts. So, is CapCut AI Video Creator worth it? Absolutely. It's not just an editing tool, it's a smart content engine that saves you time, effort, and money. Whether you're a creator trying to push out more content, a business promoting products, or an educator creating learning materials, this tool makes the process easy. We've dropped the download link in the description. Try it out and let us know in the comments. What's the first AI-generated video you'll create? We'll be replying to every creator who shares. And if you're serious about using AI tools to create smarter and faster, subscribe to AppSolute. This is where we break down tools like CapCut, ChatGPT, Canva AI, and more, so you can grow and automate like a pro. See you in the next one.